Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 651, and today's topic is the medicinal properties and uses of copaiba. Copaiba is a type of resin, and the geographical location of the trees of copaiba resin to extract is from South America and Brazil. And this copaiba resin is very important medicinally, pharmaceutically, and mainly the volatile oil is very much important for different type of ailments and diseases. And this is physiological resin, and it doesn't require any incision or cutting to get the resin. We are doing incision or cutting just to tape or to collect the resin. It is yellowish, transparent in color, sometimes maybe slightly brown in color. It is soluble in water, not water, sorry. It is soluble in organic solvents like chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, then carbon disulfide. It is soluble in absolute alcohol, but that solubility is not clear with turbidity. And this copaiba is very much used in cough. This essential oil, the mixture of terpene, in cough, in respiratory problem, in gonorrhea, in syphilis, and also it is widely used in perfumery industry, in perfume making, because it is having very good aroma, and also it is a very good antiseptic. So it has lot of pharmaceutical and medicinal uses, and it contains mainly three type of mixtures of terpenes. One terpene where it is having the carbon-9 cyclic ring and with carbon 4, and that one is called cariphyllene. This cariphyllene is having carbon 9, and this one is carbon 4. That is cyclobutane ring, and it is with 9 carbon. I think this is the one component, and other component that is your catenol. And the third is that is sesquiterpene, is called linalool. So these are three terpene mixtures. They are responsible of the medicinal properties of volatile oil of this resin, and nowadays it is widely used in many industries, in pharmaceutical preparations, and this is very important resin. So this copaiba volatile oil is very much useful in treating inflammation, and also it is widely used in preparation of expectorant, and also in some of the medicinal soap, because it is very much effective as anti-parasitic, and also in cosmetics and perfume industry. So this copaiba botanical source, that is the botanical source tree, scientific name is Copaifera landrofi, and it belongs to family Leguminosae. Number one, its geographical source is South America and Brazil. Copaiba is a physiological resin, because physiological resin means it doesn't require any cutting or incision to get the resin, and cutting or incision is done just to collect the resin or to take the resin. That's why it is physiological resin, and the tree is almost 18 meters in height, and It is oleoresin, means it contains volatile oil along with resin, and that volatile oil is the mixture of different type of terpenes, that is linolein, codeine, and that I have already given you the 9 and 4 member ring terpene. So they are main medicinal compound in copaiba. Number 2, copaiba is pale yellow to yellowish brown, transparent viscous liquid having aromatic odor and bitter taste. It is soluble in organic solvents and it is insoluble in water. And those organic solvents are chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, benzene. But it is also soluble in absolute alcohol, but not very clear, transparent solubility. It will be having turbidity. But if the alcohol is not absolute, means absolute alcohol means it is almost 99 or 100% alcohol. We have to remove the water by distilling alcohol over calcium tube. So in that alcohol there is chance of solubility with turbidity. Otherwise, if the alcohol is not absolute, it may not be soluble in alcohol also. Then number 3, the volatile oil of oleoresin is very much medicinally important, and it consists of these 3 type of phytochemicals. The one is caryophyllene. That caryophyllene structure I have already discussed. The second one is catenone. Structure is given, you have seen it. And the third one is sesquiterpene. So these 3 are the mixture of that volatile oil. Volatile oil is from 50 to 90% of the resin. And this 50 to 90% range means it depends from which geographical source you are getting the resin. If it is from South America, some other country, or from Brazil, it will vary in percentage of volatile oil, and of course it contains 90%. Number 4, copaiba is diuretic. I mean, it can be very good for your kidney because it is diuretic and it can flush out a lot of water which is stored in our cells. That is called diuretic property. It is antiseptic. It will not allow bacterial growth once there is wound, and it is disinfectant for genitourinary treatment tract. This is also very important for treating the genital disorder or disease. For example, it is very effective in treatment of leukorrhea and gonorrhea, etc. And it is powerful expectorant. Copaiba oil promote wound healing, and because it is antiseptic, it's very powerful antiseptic. So if you put on wound, it will not allow bacterial growth. So it will immediately heal the wound, and it can provide you relief from pain. It's also painkiller, and it is used in bladder infection to treat parasite. And copaiba oil is widely used in manufacture of soap, cosmetics, and perfume, and it is also widely used for anti-inflammatory treatment. If suppose you have some arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, swelling, then you rub the this resin oil, it will be you will get the relief, and this inflammation will be drastically reduced. So with this I will stop, but still I will continue. There are a lot of resins and which are really very important for our health, as well as even in our food also. They are also responsible of developing lot of taste, lot of aroma, and a lot of we can say with some antibacterial or antiviral effect. So thank you very much for watching the lecture.